What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl latoretore, and if you are new here on my channel, I just take you guys along with me on my hair journey, my weight gain journey, and show you guys some exercises that you can do to maintain your weight and to tone it up. So if you are interested in more of those videos, please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that thumbs up, hit that bell, you guys, so that you could be notified every time that I post a video. But in today's video, we are going to be doing a hair video, as you can tell by the title. I am going to be doing my finger coils with you guys, and I'm going to be trying a new product. I'm so excited. It's BLT. It's called BLT. I hope y'all can see that. It's foaming wrapping lotion. I'm so excited to be trying this new product because the BLT stands for braids, twists, and locks. It is a foaming lotion. Foaming wrap lotion is made for all hair textures, for more defined braids, twists, and locks. Our frizz-free formula will give you long-lasting hold and that finish shine you're looking for. So I'm definitely excited to try this out, but I will be mixing this with my African Best shea butter and flaxseed seed oil, moisturizing and define curling cream, shapes, hydrates, and adds shine for natural coils and curls. So now that I'm gonna do finger coils, I definitely am going to incorporate this with this to see how my hair would turn out. So if you guys is interested in seeing more of this video and wondering and want to see how my hair turned out, please do not skip this video. Watch to the end. You definitely will love it. And okay, you guys, and now that my hair is all washed and conditioned. If you guys want to see the products that I use to wash and condition my hair, just leave a comment down below and I will do like a wash and go and show you the products that I use. Since it's been a while that my hair have grown in like a year. So I'm so excited about that. Let me know in the comments down below, you guys, if you guys want to see a video on that. But okay, you guys, now I'm just going to part my hair into 4 sections. So I'm just going to go like this. In the front, you wanna, I'm not worried about it being perfect or nothing like that, you guys. So, and I am not using a mirror. I am using my phone as a mirror, so because it's not too much you need to do as far as doing finger coils. So I'm not really worried about a mirror. But you definitely want to just part your hair in sections. It'll be easier if you can just, if you part them in sections, so that you guys can be able to maneuver through your hair more instead of having it all over the place. So I'm going to part my hair into 4 sections. Okay, now that we have our hair into 4 sections, 1, 2, show you guys the back. 4 sections. I'm just going to start with this section, curling cream. I'm going to add some of that to the hair, well, the section that I'm going to start with. It really doesn't matter. I think I just rub it through my whole hair. So that's. Make sure you incorporate the product all through your hair so that everything can be nice and moisturized. So now we're going to take the BTL foaming wrapping lotion. We're going to just put enough of that on there. Oh, it smells so amazing. Like, it smells amazing, you guys. I'm not going to lie. And then I'm just gonna, where's my comb? I'm just gonna take a wide tooth comb and I'm just gonna comb through it like this. I might not even need to. Nah, but I just like to part it and go. I mean, finger and just go. And you can do them however big you want to do them. That's on you. That's your option if you want to do them big. I'm gonna do mine kind of medium. That. You just go through the whole hair.
Hey, let's go. Freedom. Freedom. What?
Okay, you guys, just got done with the right side of the bottom half of my hair. As you can see, they are luxurious. I love these. I love doing finger coils in my hair, but I wanted you guys to see the difference in me doing the finger coils and the other side of my hair without finger coils. You definitely can see the difference in between the two. And now I just went on ahead and did the other sides so that I can show you guys what it looked like. As you can see, they're very moisturized. They're very beautiful. Let me just give you guys a close-up. So first off, you want to take the section of hair that you are using and pull out a piece. Pull out big, small, medium, large, however big you want your coil to be. And then you want to just start twisting it around your pointer finger. You want to just keep twisting it, keep twisting it. Sometimes I do take it around 2 fingers and bring it down. Twist and bring down. Slide, bring it down. Slide, bring it down, twist. Boom. You got your finger coil, period. Or sometimes I just use one hand. Doesn't matter. Either way it go, you still gonna get the same form. As you twist, you want to stay kind of towards the top part so that when you twist it tightly, it's going to twist up your roots. And then you slide your fingers down. So you're going to twist, twist, get it tight up into the roots. And then you want to slide your finger down. Twist, twist, tight to the roots, slide your finger down. But a few of them in the front did come out like, I don't know, kind of like long because it is dyed up there. So it is definitely going to be different. Because a lot of my hair is natural. I have a natural stages, but some parts I did dye, and it's like it act weird when I be trying to get it to curl. So, but it's still curling. It was still cute, and I definitely loved it. And I know some people probably wondering like, why you don't part it? I really don't want parts. It looks more fuller to me when you just pull pieces from the section that you are doing, but you could kind of keep the pieces kind of straight, and you know, like in sections, instead of having like hair from all the way over there to over there, it ain't gonna look right. So you definitely want to kind of line it up just a little bit to make it look a little like it's parted, but not too much, because if it's if it's parted, I think that it doesn't look fuller, as if like you would pull pieces out like you partner with your finger. But I am not going to hold you guys. I'm just going to let you guys watch me finish my hair, and I will be back to talk to you at the end results. See you in a second, y'all. Y'all, I am speechless when I say I am in love with these finger coils. Like that product is doing its thing. And I am so happy that I mixed the two together, because look at my hair, y'all. Y'all see it. I don't even gotta say nothing. And they still wet. So I can't wait to really see when they dry. But you see the few in the front that I was talking about earlier that just don't want to act right. Some of my curls is popping with the dye though. But I'll see you guys in a minute. I'm about to finish this and I'll be right back. Okay, you guys, this is the final look. I really love how my beautiful curls came out. I am so excited. And most of all, I'm really just so excited to see how it will look tomorrow. Like once I tie my hair down and, you know, wake up or whatever, I might just hit it with a little bit of oil sheen. But look at my hair, you guys. Just so excited to see how it will look tomorrow. Like once I tie my hair down and, you know, wake up or whatever, I might just hit it with a little bit of oil sheen. But I don't care. If y'all have not tried these products out, y'all, go and try these products out. When I say they is hitting, my hair not, I'm trying to get a good lighting, you guys, so y'all can see. But my hair not frizzy. Look at I am so excited. Look at that. I hope y'all can see this. I wish I can show y'all the back. Look at that. Look how my hair moving. I am so in love with my hair, you guys. Actually, I did this side and the back. So I had this side to do in the front, and this in the back I already had dried because I had to make a couple runs or whatever. I had to tie it down real quick. It's only been maybe like an hour since I've been done with my hair, but I am loving these curls, you guys. Please let me know down in the comments below if you guys is gonna try these products and try them on some finger coils or however you want to do, twist, whatever. But I am in love. But anyways, you guys, if you, if you not subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for, you guys? Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Hit that thumbs up, hit that bell, so that you guys can be notified every time that your girl latoretore posts a video. And I shall see y'all in my next video.